Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up your iPhone for the first time. So let's get started. Right now we are on the hello screen. This exactly is the landing page when you switch on your iPhone for the first time. Just swipe up and select the language. Once you have selected the language, select the country. If you already have an iPhone and if this is your new iPhone, you can simply transfer the data just by bringing your old iPhone near to this. Follow the above link if you want to see my video on how to transfer data from one iPhone to another. But in this video, we are going to set it up manually. So tap Setup manually. Select your Wi-Fi network here. Data and privacy. Just read and tap Continue. The Face ID on your iPhone lets you unlock the iPhone without having to input a passcode. If you like to set it up, tap Continue and follow the instruction. You can also set this up later in the settings, so I'll skip this for now. Here you can create a passcode for your iPhone. The passcode securely locks your phone so only you can access it. And you have also multiple different options, so tap passcode options. And I prefer 4 digits code. You can set up your own and continue. Apps and data. Here you can restore your old backup from iClouds or your PC, or you can transfer from your old iPhone or your data from an Android phone. So we are going to set this up as a new phone, so tap Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Here it asks you for the Apple ID. If you have one, provide the details and tap Next. If you don't have one or if you want to skip it, just tap Forgot Password or Don't Have an Apple ID. I will set this up later in Settings. Tap Don't Use. Terms and Conditions. Tap Agree. This is about keeping your iPhone up to date. It says you will receive notification before iOS software updates are installed, and you can choose other options in the settings. Tap Continue. iMessage and FaceTime. You can set it up here or you can set it up later in the settings. If you want to set it up now, tap Continue and provide your mobile number and complete the settings. I will skip this for now and I will add the link to the video on how to set up iMessage in the settings. Location services is required for apps like Maps and any other app that uses geo-tracing. So if you want, you can enable it or disable. I will enable and continue. Set up Cellular. In iPhone, you can use a SIM card or eSIM. If you're using an eSIM, you have to request it from your carrier. You'll receive a QR code and you have to scan that QR code and add the number to your phone. I have added the link above for my full video on how to set up an eSIM on iPhone. Check that out if you want to. Or if you're using a SIM card, just tap Setup later and continue. Siri. You can enable Siri here just by tapping Continue. Just follow the instruction, or you can set this up later in settings. Screen time is to have a better control on your screen usage. You can get weekly reports. You can also set time limits for apps. Also, you can set up parental control for your children's Apple devices. We can always set this up later in the settings. I will be adding a separate video on screen time. You can check that out later. For now, let's skip. iPhone Analytics. Here, Apple is requesting your permission to share your usage data with them. If you like, you can share with Apple or tap Don't Share. Appearance. Select light or dark mode, whichever you like, and tap Continue. Display zoom. This is for the icon and text size. I would recommend you to go with the standard because this will fit more information on screen. Or if you need slightly larger icon and text, go for the zoomed one. You can always change this in the settings. That's it. Just swipe up and now your phone is ready. From here you can start to use your phone. If you have any settings to be changed, you can go to settings and always you can make changes, and you can download apps from the App Store. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, please drop a comment below. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos.